people who think they're buying something safe and legal. You can read much more about this on our website.
Putting a strain on law enforcement resources. Well, why are you allocating law
Shout
enforcement
out to that
resources to
big
something
homie. Y'all
so
know to go check
trivial?
out
That's the
DJ
real
Is
question. So you
on
guys
all
saw it right
5
there
of
for
his
yourself.
YouTube
Over
channels because he got more
104
coming.
stores targeted. And these aren't large
He's
corporations. A lot
got
of these are
more
smaller
coming. You
mom and
dig?
pop shops, small
You
local
don't fuck around
businesses.
and quit
And
his
those are just
job and
regular
start
folk like
making
you and
beats
me.
all
And
day.
according to this article, the Nebraska Attorney General warns of coming crackdown.
Talk about y'all see that new Marvel movie? Yeah. Y'all like them beats? Man, was that you? Nah, maybe. You never know. I might have to do some networking for that big homie. Put that in front of somebody that might do something with it, you dig? Yeah, shout out to the networking. I keep telling y'all, we gonna be in somebody's office one of these days. Like, man, just imagine all my haters thinking that I make subpar YouTube videos for no reason. Hey, yeah, it ain't no reason I do this shit. Hell, hey, it just creates the opportunity, and then hopefully you put in the prep time because you know what that equals. Technically, that's what the video title was, man. It's the formula for good luck. Shout out to good luck vibes, because you know that's what we doing these days. Hey, we don't care about Nebraska. That's close to our state, because we're right here in Missouri. It might even be connected. It's right there above Kansas. So hell, they're their own problem. You dig? If they got problems with that shit, they should move to Missouri. Oh yeah, you know we gonna be keep practicing until we get everything right. Hey, one thing they tell you, the guy who's a success has failed many times. Yeah, you don't just go straight to the motherfucking gulag. It ain't no A B C D. Nah, it's a A B C. Then at D, you go back to C, then at C, you go back to 1. Then hold on, who put numbers in the motherfucking math? Because we had all letters, baby. We ain't doing basic math over here. But that's how that shit be.
On hemp-derived products, including Delta 8. The article says, and I quote, "We gave them plenty of warning. They have decided not to change. Now criminal prosecutions are on the table as well." The article goes on to say that the Nebraska Attorney General is done negotiating with smoke and vape shop retailers. He says they are breaking state law by selling candy and other products with Delta 8 THC, a synthetic version of THC. Now it seems that there have been instances where the Nebraska AG has worked with retailers who were selling these products, and in other instances he just straight up referred them for prosecution. Now what I found really interesting about this whole thing is that only 2 years ago the Nebraska senators actually proposed to legalize rec herb simply because they said that prohibition wasn't working. Have a look.
Was the big topic at the Capitol today.
2 bills would legalize recreational in Nebraska. Channel 8's Mackenzie Johnson was at the hearing and joins us live from the Capitol with more. Mackenzie?
Yeah, that's right, Rod and Megan. I'm here at the Capitol. Just hours ago, testifiers came to talk about recreational laws. The 2 bills were heard together today. One bill would legalize the sale to anyone over the age of 21, and the other would decriminalize the use and possession.
Still, the federal government continues to cling on, as it does today, to a policy that it has origins in racism, xenophobia, and whose principal effect has been to ruin the lives of many generations of people.
Senators Terrell McKinney and Justin Wayne of Omaha introduced bills related to the use of recreational in Nebraska. Wayne's bill, LB 22, would decriminalize use and possession of McKinney's. LB 634 would allow for the sale of for anyone over 21. It would also focus on helping people of color and low-income people, who he says are disproportionately targeted for possession by law enforcement. Some testifiers say the people of Nebraska have wanted this bill for years.
The polls show consistently that people.
I don't know. We did just see the white guy get arrested because the cop knew he gave him a wrong name, but he didn't know neither one of the guy's actual names. If the name you thought it was already wrong, then you way off. Like, nah, this is such and such, and he gave me such and such his name. And then it wasn't even neither one of the 2 guys, though. You see what I'm saying? You didn't even know who the guy was. You're like, well, it looked like fucking Billy, because Billy's on the corner with that crystal. You did? Because he had 50-something grams on him, you did? He was out there getting it in. Hey, if y'all just now tuned into the video, go back to the beginning of the video. Yeah, you're going to have to hit the replay gang for that part, because it was lit. Hey, I'm sitting here wondering, like, why is they harassing this dude? I wasn't supposed to be watching this type of video. He's supposed to have drugs. The cop done pulled this guy over because he thought he was somebody else. Yeah, well, he was somebody else. He was El Plaga. Hey, what do you say? Billy's on the corner with that crystal meth. Crystal Billy. Hey, Billy Crystal. Y'all don't get it?